Hey guys, Northern Survivalist here with another video. In this review, basically we're going to be reviewing the Hatchet Blaze Watchfire. Now, I just picked this up as a small axe. As you see in my M-Tech review, I had a small pickaxe style axe. Again, I made the same mistake and I bought another small axe. I was kind of hoping it was going to be a little bit bigger, but it is a tad bit bigger and a little bit stronger and heavier than the M-Tech, which is kind of why I wanted this one. It does have a very nice feel to it, as you see, the Watchfire. I love the handle on this, and depending on how you want to hold it, it's a really very awesome style. It does have a little belt strap here. The only downside to this axe, which I'm not a big fan of, and I think M-Tech did this really well, is the sheath. So as you see up top here, there are these big 4 main buttons. These 4 buttons is how you take this out. Now, when you're out there and you're really struggling with this, maybe it was just the first opening, but it was quite hard to get it off. So as you see now, this one was not bad, but now it's just a pain in the butt of actually physically getting it out. There we go. Now again, very sharp. I would still probably sharpen this one just a little bit. If you can. It does have the pickaxe side, perfect for bushcrafting. I think I only paid 20 bucks for this, guys. If you're looking for a good bushcraft axe, this one is way better than the M-Tech, in my opinion. Very nice design, very sleek. There's really not much to say about it. I have yet to test it. Hopefully you guys will see that in a coming video. I will be in a bushcraft series, and I hope you guys will tune in for that and see, and we'll put this to the test. Right now, because of the quarantine, I am in Canada. We're really not allowed to leave the property. I'm losing my mind at home. So I said, hey, you know what? Today I'm gonna make a review video on the Watchfire axe. Now, I think it's really great. Worth 20 bucks, hell yeah. Link will be in the description if you guys are interested. You know, I'm not sponsored by any of this stuff. This is just everything I've purchased and I wanna share with everybody who are on the edge about grabbing certain things. Now, I don't know how many is going to be in stock. When I purchased them, there was only 3 in stock. Being in the quarantine times, I don't know if we're going to get any left. But if you guys are interested in this and you want to wait a little bit, if you're not in a rush, I'd say definitely invest in this axe. Really great. I give it 4.5 out of 5. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. This was just a really quick review, and stay tuned for some more. Let me know what you guys think. Comment if I helped you out in deciding if you want to buy this specific axe or looking for a axe or hatchet, whatever you want to call this. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Peace.